If you're experiencing low performance while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to improve performance and enjoy smoother gameplay. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in Roblox. Go to the in-game settings menu and reduce the graphics quality to improve performance. This can help the game run more smoothly on lower-end devices. Step 2. Close background application. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve overall performance while playing. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly enhance performance and fix potential issues. Step 4. Clear cache and temporary files. Regularly clear your computer's cache and temporary files. This can help improve performance by freeing up disk space and ensuring that your system runs more efficiently. Step 5. Optimize your device. Consider optimizing your device for gaming. This can include upgrading hardware components like RAM or the graphics card, or even cleaning out dust from your computer to prevent overheating, which can affect performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.